Once again, I'm online tutor Hamuso from somauganda.com. Welcome to the second session of Introduction to Law. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today we shall be looking at law and morality. As seen in our last session, I discussed extensively about law, and today we shall be seeing the connection between law and morality. As seen from the website, morality refers to principles concerning distinction between good and bad. However, different legal scholars argue law and morality differently. Number 1. Natural school of thought. These believe that law and morality should be connected. They also state that man-made law to be valid, it should be in line with God-made law. Therefore, law should always have moral content in order to be true law for mankind. 2. Positivism school of thought. These believe that law and morality should be separated. They also believe that law is made by the parliament, so there is no necessary connection between law and morals. What matters to these scholars is that law is supported by the greatest number in the community and makes them happy. Number 3. Legal realism. These state that law and morality should be argued in accordance to the precedents and court of law outcomes. Anyway, friends, that's all I had for you in this session. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and following us on our social media platforms. See you next time. Bye bye.